If you're thinking about a career in IT, you've probably heard about the CompTIA Network Plus certification. But beyond just being a credential, the real question is, what kind of jobs can you actually get with it?
That's the perfect question to ask. People see these certifications and think of them as just a line on a resume, but the Net Plus is really a key that unlocks the first few doors of your IT career.
So let's start right there. For anyone listening, the CompTIA Network Plus or Net Plus is a globally recognized credential. It's designed to prove a professional can design, implement, manage, and troubleshoot essential network infrastructure. And a key point here is that it's vendor neutral, meaning it applies across all sorts of different hardware and software.
Exactly. I like to think of it as the foundational language of networking. You wouldn't try to write a novel without understanding grammar, and you can't really tackle complex IT problems without understanding how everything is connected. That's what Net Plus gives you.
Okay, so once you have that foundational language, what are the immediate job opportunities? We're talking about entry-level roles, right? Employers see this as proof that you're ready for basic networking and technical support tasks.
Absolutely. You're perfectly positioned for roles like a network support specialist or a help desk technician. In those jobs, you're essentially the first line of defense. You're the one helping colleagues solve connectivity issues and keeping the daily operations running. It's where you get your hands dirty and build that crucial, real-world experience.
Got it. So you start on the front lines. What about the next step, the career progression? The blueprint suggests that with some experience, you can move into network administration. These are the roles that are vital for the health and security of a company's entire network, right?
That's the natural evolution. You move from reactive troubleshooting to proactive management. As a junior or full network administrator, you're not just fixing problems as they pop up. You're responsible for the entire network's well-being, its performance, its security. The Net Plus gives you that deep understanding of how all the pieces, from servers to firewalls, actually fit and work together.
That makes sense. But the IT world is changing so fast. How does this certification hold up in hot fields like cybersecurity and cloud computing? The certification provides a foundation for understanding network vulnerabilities, which leads to roles like cybersecurity technician. And with the cloud, there's a demand for cloud support technicians.
I'm glad you brought that up. Cybersecurity is, at its heart, about protecting networks. You can't protect something if you don't understand how it works. That's why the Net Plus Foundation is so critical. And for the cloud, well, it's just someone else's computer. But you still need to connect to it securely and efficiently. The underlying network principles are exactly the same, just in a more virtualized space.
So, Olivia, what's the real so what here? It sounds like it's not just about getting one specific job, but about building a whole career.
The so what is that Net Plus is not a dead end. It's the ultimate flexible foundation. It gets your foot in the door, but from there, you can pivot anywhere. If you discover a passion for security, you can pair your Net Plus with a Security Plus certification. If you get into the hardware, Cisco's CCNA is a great next step. It's the launchpad that allows you to specialize in almost any high-demand IT field, because at the end of the day, everything runs on a network.
Fascinating. So, it's clear that the CompTIA Network Plus certification offers a direct and accessible pathway into the IT industry, validating those essential networking skills employers are actively seeking and serving as a springboard for diverse and evolving IT careers. To wrap up, what are the absolute key takeaways for our listeners?
For sure. First, Net Plus is a vendor-neutral certification that validates your core networking skills. Second, it's your ticket to great entry-level roles like help desk and network support. From there, it's a stepping stone to more advanced jobs like network administrator. It also gives you a crucial foundation for booming fields like cybersecurity and cloud. But most importantly, think of it as a flexible launchpad for long-term career growth, not just a one-time cert.